Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be teaching you a very strong and powerful chart pattern called the double top. So I'll also be showing you how we use it to trade in binary options, so make sure to watch till the end. So what is a double top? So a double top usually forms in an uptrend. So we have a higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high, a higher high, but then a lower high, but then at this point we don't break the previous higher high. Instead we break the lower high, this point right here. So these 2 points, we call them double top. So they create for us this resistance, and then right here at the last lower high we have a neckline. So this point right here, we call it a neckline. So once we break the neckline, that is a confirmation that we have a double top. So okay, here we have a higher high, a lower high, higher high, lower high. We didn't break the previous higher high, instead we broke the previous lower high. So we have the neckline. So this is an indication that the trend is changing. So we were in an uptrend, now we are the movement, we are moving towards the downside. So we are now in a downtrend. So the question is, how do we use this strategy this pattern to trade in binary options? So as you can see here, we have a very beautiful uptrend. Then getting to this point, we created a lower high, but we didn't create a higher. We didn't create a higher high. Instead, we broke that lower high. So we can call this the neckline. Here's the neckline, and these two peaks are our double top. So we broke that, and once we broke our neckline, we are expecting the market to continue going down. So we're expecting a downtrend. But for us to trade this with this pattern for binary options, so we come back here and look if we look for any supply or demand. Supply area, so right here, before we broke the neckline, right at this candle, we can see that we created a supply area. So we'll come here, draw a horizontal line at the supply area. Then once the market comes to our point, we can take a trade. So as you can see here, if we could have taken a 1 minute trade, we could have won. 2 minutes trade would also have been a winning trade. But for my strategy, I always use a flag mode. Then the expiry is 1 minute. Then make sure that the timer, like this last point here, is at 00, so that the market closes exactly at the close of the candle. So once the market came here, I'll have entered a trade, and the market will have, let me show you. So I'll have entered the trade right here, and the trade will have closed at the start of this next candle. Live examples. Let's look for a trade. Okay, I think I found one here. I go with the sellers. Okay, my network connection is a bit slow. I don't know if it's the connection or it's a problem with the broker. So anyway, let me draw everything for you. So what's happening? Okay, right here, as you can see, you have this supply area. So this supply area, then let me draw the double top. You have this double top. So as you can see, okay, that was a winning trade. Okay, so we are moving in an uptrend, as you can see clearly. Then right here we created this higher high, lower high. Then we didn't break the previous higher high, but we broke the neckline. So Then we formed a supply area right here, and as we know that the priority of the market is going down, so coming back to that area, we are supposed to take a sell trade. And I was a bit late, honestly. I was supposed to enter in the previous candle, but it's okay. Let's get another example and I'll show you guys. Okay, we found another opportunity. Let me go with the sellers. I took my trade. Okay, the entry is perfect, honestly. So okay, my entry is beautiful. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, so that was a winning trade, but I don't know what is happening, so everything is lagging. Okay, let it come back up and then I'll explain to you the reason as to why I took the trade. So I'm so sorry about that. So let me draw everything for you. So we have the neckline right here. I've also drawn the double top, as you can see, and the supply area. So I took the trade immediately. The market came to my supply area and it closed right here. That was a winning trade, guys. So let's look for another opportunity and I'll explain everything to you. Okay, so I think we found our last opportunity. I go with the sellers right here. So the situation is the same. We have a double top, as you can see. We also have a supply area. We were moving an uptrend and the trend has changed. So let's see how it goes. Perfect, that was a win. So if you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment. If you like this type of videos, drop me a comment and I'll be sure to make more such videos. So follow me, my Telegram channel, and if you want to learn more, you can message me and I'll teach you how to use this strategy and other strategies that I use. So thank you.